वजह आपकी एक सोलो हीरो प्रोजेक्ट है, तो इसके बारे में बताइए, कैसा लगा आपको? दो हीरोइंस के ऑपोजिट आपको पेयर किया गया।
एक्चुअली ये पहली बार मैंने एक सोलो फिल्म की थी। इससे पहले जो भी मैंने फिल्में की थी उसमें मैं या तो नेगेटिव रोल प्ले कर रहा था या सेकंड लीड प्ले कर रहा था। सो ये मेरे लिए पहली अपॉर्चुनिटी थी जब आई कुड प्ले अ लीडिंग मैन। तो आई वाज क्वाइट हैप्पी जब मुझे ये ऑफ़र किया गया, जब गौतम जी ने मुझे फ़ोन किया और मुझे बुलाया और कहा कि एक फ़िल्म है जिसमें हम चाहते हैं कि आप सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर प्ले करें। उसमें वेसी सिंह भी है और शमिता शेट्टी भी हैं। तो आई वॉज़ वेरी हैप्पी। फिर मैंने कहानी सुनी, मुझे कहानी बहुत अच्छी लगी। और ऑलमोस्ट बहुत कम वक्त ऐसा होता है कि आदमी इंटरवल पर ही डिसाइड करता है कि उसको ये फिल्म करनी है कि नहीं करनी है। एंड पूरी कहानी सुन के वो मेक्स डिसीजन। बट आई थिंक बाय द टाइम आई हैड हर्ड द story till the interval, I was quite happy that the subject is very good and it was a thriller film. तो गौतम जी जो मास्टर है थ्रिलर्स में, जब वो बना रहे थे और वो उनका ऑलमोस्ट एक कम बैक फिल्म था, तो आई वॉज क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट दैट कि मैं आई एम इन द राइट हैंड्स एज फार एज द फिल्म इज़ कंसर्न। इसलिए मैंने ये फिल्म साइन की। बहुत मज़ा आया फिल्म करते हुए। आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम वर्किंग विद द कास्ट एंड क्रू। गौतम जी के साथ भी काम करके बहुत मज़ा आया एंड फाइनली हंसते खेलते ये फिल्म बन गई एंड आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म।
गौतम जी को डायरेक्टर के हिसाब से आप कैसे रेट करेंगे, थोड़ा बताइए आप मुझे।
Gautam ji is not only a very fine director, he's a great human being and I had a good opportunity to work with him. मैंने उनको करीब से उनके स्टाइल को देखा। मैंने बहुत उनके बारे में सुना था कि उन्होंने टेलीविज़न पे बहुत कमाल काम किया है and he's done some really great work. He's in the Guinness Book of World Records for doing the maximum number of serials. And जब ये फिल्म बना रहे थे तब I was quite happy that his comeback film is with me. एंड ही इज़ वेरी रिलैक्स डायरेक्टर। बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर एक्टर्स पे देते नहीं है वो। ही इज़ वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट हिज वर्क, हिज स्क्रिप्ट एंड व्हाट ही वांट्स फ्रॉम हिज एक्टर्स। तो जब वो एक्टर्स को सीन समझाते हैं तो वेरी बेसिकली वी कम टू नो व्हाट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड। एंड ही इज़ नॉट वन ऑफ दोज डायरेक्टर्स ऑल्सो के बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टरों को पुश करना इन द सेंस यू नो वेस्टिंग टाइम ट्राइंग टू गेट समथिंग। वी satisfied even if he will convince the actor that you don't need to go for another take because you know I got what I want. If you want another take, you can go ahead, but I'll probably keep this take. So that is one very good, you know, when you know your director is very confident about what he wants from his actors or what he wants from a scene. So it was great working with him. He's a great director, he's a great human being, and if ever I get an opportunity to work with him again, I'd surely work.
सुना है उनकी तबीयत भी ख़राब हो गई थी शूट के दौरान, पर फिर भी उन्होंने काम नहीं रोका। एंड ही वाज वेरी एडमेंट अबाउट इट। खंडाला में ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, तो इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए।
खंडाला में ऐसा हुआ था कि वन डे आफ्टर लंच थोड़ा सा काम देर से शुरू हो रहा था, तो मैंने पूछा बिकॉज वी वर ऑन अ टाइट शेड्यूल के ये 20 दिन का शेड्यूल था एंड वी हैड टू डू मैक्सिमम पोर्शन ऑफ द फिल्म इन दैट शेड्यूल। तो एवरी आवर एंड एवरी डे वाज इम्पॉर्टेंट। तो एक दिन जब थोड़ा सा लेट काम शुरू हुआ लंच के बाद या शुरू नहीं हुआ था, तो मैंने असिस्टेंट से पूछा कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है। तो उन्होंने बोला कि गौतम जी थोड़ा रेस्ट करें, उनकी तबीयत ख़राब है एंड ही विल स्टार्ट वर्क। So after an hour I went to see him and he had like very high fever and all. मुझे लगा कि ये आज का दिन तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा। But 1 hour later he took some tablets and all that and came to shoot. उस दिन उन्होंने काम कर दिया, दूसरे दिन उनकी तबीयत और ख़राब हो गई। उन्होंने प्रैक्टिकली अपने असिस्टेंट से कहा कि इनिशियल कुछ शॉट्स वगैरह ले ले क्योंकि उन्होंने ऑलरेडी डिज़ाइन करके रखा था। Then he came on the sets again and he kept shooting and he kept shooting and his health got even worse. Finally we had to get a doctor from Bombay to see his condition and he was very bad. He had some kind of a liver disorder which you know came infection or something which obviously needed medical attention. And finally he had to, after he finished the schedule, which he did, he had to be hospitalized in Bombay. He was treated for almost 15 days in the hospital and 15 days outside the hospital. So his condition was so bad, but the man just went on shooting because he is so passionate about his work and maybe he wanted to finish the film on time and schedule wise, so he just didn't care about his health, which is not a good thing though.
खराब हो गया, तो एज अ होल एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में।
आई हर्ड अबाउट इट। मैं रेसी सिंह के डबिंग के लिए था नहीं वैसे, बट मैंने सुना था कि उनको काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी डबिंग के वक्त। बट ओवरऑल आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम वर्किंग विद हर। she's a very relaxed, comfortable actress, very spontaneous actress, and very nice human being. And there was a lot of good rapport and good vibes between the actors. Because when you're working together in a film, and more so when you're doing scenes which are together, then it's very important कि एक actor और actress के बीच में एक chemistry हो या एक friendship हो या एक understanding हो, and वो या तो आप it's there, or you got to work at it because it's in the interest of the film to work at it. And sometimes you don't even need to work at it. Fortunately for me, with Gracie and me, there was this nice cordial relationship and a professional relationship from the word go. So we were always there helping each other और एक दूसरे को like understanding towards each other. So बहुत मज़ा आया काम करते हुए. And she's a very good actress, very talented. Like I said, she's very spontaneous. So it was wonderful working with her.
शमिता के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. हम उनको ज़्यादा उनके आइटम नंबर्स के लिए जानते हैं
जी.
और मोहब्बतें में उन्होंने अपना डेब्यू किया था, तो उनके साथ कैसा लगा? उनका एक आइटम नंबर इस फिल्म में भी था, तो इस बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए.
Actually, Shamita is probably known for her item songs, but she is a very, very talented actress, and she's a very hard-working actress, and she takes a lot of pains in a lot of things as far as her scenes are concerned, or her performance is concerned, and even as far as her makeup or dresses or hair is concerned, which obviously make a lot of difference when you see on screen. When you see somebody looking, good or whatever, the people don't seem to understand that there's a lot of hard work going into what the preparation for a particular look is, and that is what she does a lot. And like I said, she is also a very great person to be working with. She's as far as I know, whosoever she works with, she's got a very good rapport. So I was also lucky to be working with her, and I shared a very good rapport with her. And there are no mood swings. There's certain times people have this. They have some actors and actresses are a little reserved, and she was very friendly. Whenever she's on the sets, there's always a vibrant atmosphere, and it's great to work with her. And I wish her all the best.
इस फिल्म में भी एक खूबसूरत आइटम नंबर था, नाइजीरियन रैप सॉन्ग, रैप म्यूजिक जिसमें यूज़ किया गया था. थोड़ा बताइए उसके
I
बारे में.
like the song very much, and more than me, my son likes this song very much. Ye Zamana, that track is from the time I've been playing it in the car, and he's been seeing it on TV and whatever. He's a big fan of that song. So whenever we are in the car, he wants Ye Zamana. He says, keep playing that song. So this is a compliment to the music director, art directors, and Shamita for that matter. But my little son is a big fan of that particular song, so I too enjoy that song. I think it's a great song. It's very well picturized, and Shamita has really done a great job in that song.
कोई भी इंसिडेंट अगर आपको याद हो जो वजह के behind the scenes something interesting that happened?
Well, I think the entire process of doing this film has been very, very exciting. I loved working with this unit, and especially Gautam ji and and Anand ji was the producer of the film. They're wonderful people. They're great people. Their intentions are very noble in terms of wanting to make a good, sincere film. Whether a film becomes successful or not successful, or meets with the success that it's supposed to meet, is a secondary thing. As far as you know that you make a film with all great intentions, and you very sincerely make a good film, which this is what they did. And they worked very hard on the film, and it's great to work with such unit because they're very understanding, and there's no wasting of time, there is no wasting of energy, nothing. It's like everybody, they're so professional. If the requirement of a particular artist is that probably after lunch, they'll only call him after lunch. They'll not call an artist who's supposed to be called, so that nobody comes in anybody's way, plus there's nobody asking when is my work going to come. So that kind of professionalism is very important, and that is there in this particular unit, which I enjoyed, because sometimes your work may come early or late, but you're called on the set. So this is one thing that really makes a big difference for an artist. You don't sit wasting time there. And like I said, given an opportunity to work with this unit ever again, it will be wonderful. The other very important thing which I enjoyed working on this is the food. I love Gujarati food, and Gautam ji being Gujarati, the kind of food that used to come from his house, and whenever we were shooting in Bombay, I used to go to his office to have dal dhokli, and loved it. So that is the only thing I miss now that I'm not involved in the film, whether we finish the film. So I keep calling him up, and I drop in at his office to eat food. It's great. So that association has always been maintained. A personal relationship between me and Gautam ji is going to be there forever because he's a great guy. You know.
40 या 50 डेज में आपने फिल्म को शूट किया, तो उसके बारे में बताइए थोड़ा.
Yeah, I think around between 40 to 50 days we've shot this film, but it's yet it was a very comfortable shoot. ऐसा नहीं था कि we were doing day nights. The days that we were doing days, we were only doing days. And the times when we were doing nights, we were only doing nights. ऐसा नहीं था कि the unit was being pushed 20 hours a day to shoot to complete this film on time. No, it was quite a relaxed atmosphere. The planning was so perfect that we could shoot a regular shift and yet finish most of our work. And because this particular project needed one particular house and most of our scenes were in the house, and it was basically a film between couple of characters, 3 या 4 characters के बीच में ये principal characters के बीच में ये film थी. तो ये film में गौतम जी को आप कभी भी पूछो कि ये scene कहाँ करना है, कब करना है, तो he knew कि this scene is to be done on this day and it will be done at this time. So he knew, he was already planned. तो इस वजह से when you are planned so well, you can know in how much time you make the film, and that film was made in exactly the amount of time that they had planned. They had planned to make the film in around 50 days and they finished the film in 50 days.
Okay, one final question. I heard that Gautam ji is very caring as a director, as a person also. I mean,
Yeah.
there was an accident with 2 electricians on the set, and then he took care of them.
Oh yes, he did. I mean to say, he's always been a wonderful guy, and that we could sense from the moment I met him. In fact, that he's very, he loves his unit very much and he takes care of his unit. And if though he shot when he was not well, but whenever he sensed that there was a time when I had to come to Bombay for a very important event, and his schedule being so tight, it was very difficult for him to be flexible in that schedule.